So hey guys, in this video, we're going to review the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0. Let's get started. So the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0 is a toner pad designed to help clean pores, smooth skin texture, and reduce oil. The pads are dual-sided. One side has raised texture to gently exfoliate, and the other side is smooth to calm the skin. The formula includes mild acids like AHA and BHA to help remove dead skin cells and clean out pores. It also has plant extracts and moisturizer to try to prevent irritation. So many users says their skin looks smoother after using the pads, and a few times they say their pores looks less noticeable, especially around oily areas like nose and cheeks. People with combination of oily skin often praise how the pads remove yellow sebum without causing breakouts. The pads are soaked in enough liquid so that they feel wet and usable. Some users also like that the packaging comes with tweezers, which helps keep things clean and hygienic. On the other hand, a few users notice that one issue is irritation. Some people feel tingling, stinging, or redness, especially at first or when using the pads too often. A few says that the pads feel sticky after applying, which might be uncomfortable until followed by moisturizer. But overall, the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0 seems like a useful pad for people who want to reduce oil and make their skin texture smoother. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.